Hi, back to another YouTube video. I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I'm going to be doing a Subway Surfers tutorial on how to get ridiculous amounts of money and keys. Look, I have 11 billion coins. I know, I started off with 12 billion, but I wasted them on the characters and stuff. So I got like all the characters and I still have 11 billion left. And I actually had like 15,000 keys or like 17,000, something ridiculous like that. Got all the characters except for these two. And that is Spike and the other one I'm not sure. This is weird. Yeah. I've got like everyone except for Spike and Yutani. Still have a long way to go. Now I'll get all his outfits. She doesn't have any outfits because she's in an outfit. So this is the character I'm using. My high score is and you can get like all the balls. Like, I'm going to teach you how to get this. And just to tell you, I'm on silver, which I actually got gold. As you can see, got gold because my score was, it's gonna die because it doesn't pop up. My score was, my high score is 956,000, nearly a million. It's my high score. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna delete the Subway Surfers. Or you can still keep it there because this is technically a different Subway Surfers. It's like, this is still like the app that I use. It pretty much, look, I have two Pokemon Go's. Because one is the normal one and the other one is the hacked one. You can also get hacked Pokemon Go. You can get most paid apps for free. For instance, Subway Surfers. You know, it's cost more. No, it doesn't cost money. Pokemon Go, even though that's only about its hacked versions. You can run around and stuff. And there's lots more. So we're going to want to just go into Safari and type up 22up and it'll come up with 22up.vip. And you're going to want to do that. Now, you go if you're on iOS or Android. What is this thing here? Go ahead. Here, edit, bring it in. No. But you're gonna don't want to go to VIP, go to regular because it's free. Go to iOS or Android, these are the one you're on. I'm in iOS, so I go to iOS. Click download now and do everything it says to do to download it. For me, it took me a while because usually every iOS it will stop working, so you just delete it and all the apps with it and re-get it. And yeah, eventually it will come. It might be like, might not work straight away. Like for me, it didn't work straight away. But it'll come up with Tutu Helper. Then it was indicated afforded by justice. You're gonna wanna, I would delete it, but then I'll delete all the apps I've got with it. I think, I don't know. But once you click on it, it's gonna say that it's not compatible with your device. So all you need to do goes under settings, go on to down and go to profile and device management, and click pretty much whichever one it is. It's the Wuxi thing, Wuxi Suntech Power Code, and then you would have to do it with the app. So it might not automatically do it. Depends, but yeah. So once you go in it, it'll come up with Pokemon Go at the start. You can, like other ones, I'll get one that costs money. Like The Sims 4, that costs $7. For for instance, and Five Nights at Freddy's, and there's other ones I just do Sims 4. Anyway, so you see manager, that's just got a 1. Click on that and wait for it to load. And once it's all loaded, it'll go, you click, it'll tell you to install it, and you click install. And yeah. So I'll be speeding this up. Why do I whack myself? Even though it's plastic, why do I whack myself? Oops. Go away, Mom. No. Go away. Come on. Oh, sorry, stop speeding. I thought it was still going on. So, now click install. In the manager, it'll be in. You just click install and it'll be installing. Yeah, you click install and it'll install. And yeah, if you want to delete what you installed, hold it. Delete package. Bulk delete. No. Done. It may or may not work, but should you work? So yeah. Bye, and hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, Ma, you're back again. Bye. Hey, my